WLNUI Decorative Pillow Covers 18x18-inch set of 4 green geometric modern throw pillow covers. Home Sweet Home Decorative Square Cushion Case for Sofa Couch Chair. Farmhouse Home Decor set of 4 geometric Home Sweet Home Decorative throw pillow covers to decorate your room in a simple and fashionable way. Suitable for couch, sofa, bed, car, seat, window seat, loveseat, living room, bedroom, floor, bench, office, cafe. Made of soft polyester texture, they not only feel comfy, but also skin-friendly to your family and pets. Hidden zipper sewed with neat stitches works smoothly, better looking and easier to fill your pillow. Inserts are not included. Easy care and machine washable, no odor, no mess, no hair loss, no pilling. You best choice to decor your warm home. Search WLNUI pillow covers for more choices to decorative your love home. Our pillow covers can not only protect your pillow inserts, but also mix and match with your other pillows and furniture to fresh up your home. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.